Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're gonna be making brookies. Now, if you don't know what brookies are, I'm gonna show a clip on the screen, but if you want me to describe them to you, they are a mix of a brownie and a cookie, aka 2 layers of deliciousness. They're actually super easy to make, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. So if you're excited too, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. So first step is to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna make the brownie layer first. Grab your bowl and then add some chocolate protein powder. I use PE Science, of course. It's a whey casein blend. This recipe should work with whey, although I haven't tried it. If you are planning on buying PE Science though, please be sure to use my discount code FIT15 to save money on your next purchase. Then you're gonna add some all-purpose flour. Next, you're gonna add some unsweetened cocoa powder. I use Hershey's, but you can use pretty much any other brand. Just make sure it's unsweetened cocoa powder and not Dutch processed, because that's way higher in calories. Then add in some coconut flour. So this is what mine looks like. I get a lot of questions on substitutions for coconut flour. I'm not sure if it's because people have allergies or they can't find it or they just don't have it on hand. You can buy it at pretty much any grocery store. So if you don't have it on hand, basically you would have to replace the amount of coconut flour with 4 times the amount of all-purpose flour. So for this recipe, there's 15 grams of coconut flour, meaning you would have to replace that part of the recipe with 60 grams of all-purpose flour plus the additional 30 grams, totaling to 90 grams. Now this will change the macros because coconut flour is lower in calories, of course, and the brownies will be thicker. I haven't tried this, but I've tried that substitution with pizza because my boyfriend is allergic to coconut and it's worked just fine. Then you're gonna add some unsweetened almond milk or any plant-based milk really, but unsweetened almond milk is very low in calories. Next, you're gonna add your light butter or margarine. So I use Baicel Light. There are other brands you can also use. I know in the States there's Lands of Lakes, so just use whichever one you're able to find. Next, add your non-fat Greek yogurt and then mix all the ingredients together until the batter looks like this. Then you're gonna add your mini chocolate chips, which is my favorite part. I like to use mini chocolate chips because then there's more of them just covering the brownie surface, like it's more spread out, if that makes sense. But of course you could just use regular ones if you want. Then we are going to set that aside and make the cookie dough layer. So grab a separate bowl and then add your vanilla protein powder. I use PE Science Cake Pop flavor. Then add some coconut flour. Wow, this combo is insane. if you wanted to, you could like layer the brownie and cookie layers differently. You don't have to like put it on the top, but it tastes really, really good because you can kind of get like an even layer of brownie and cookie in every bite. And yeah, I'm gonna finish at least 2 more of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones, so be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And if you like my videos, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye.